Doodles are
This
sick.
looks insane.
All we need is like 2 Kool-Aid pineapple jars.
Oh. Yeah. All right, guys. It's Sunday, and where else would I be? I'm at the shop. Amaan hit me up. He's gonna cruise over on his panhead. He wants to fix a couple things, so I figured, why not? You know, I ain't got nothing going on, so let's work on his bike a little bit. His oil pump is sumping quite a bit, and he just kind of wants to go over a few things. So we gotta like recut the little seat where the check ball sits. I have a little tool for that, because basically if he doesn't ride it for like a couple weeks, which he hasn't since he got his new Dyna, so he's been a Dyna bro now, not riding his panhead, but basically all the oil will sump into the crankcase of the motor, and then when you go to kick it and start it for the first time, it's just gonna dump a quart of oil on the ground. Pretty common problem with pretty much every panhead, shovelhead, early Evos, knuckleheads. They all do it. It's a terrible design, but it can be fixed. So yeah, he's heading over right now. He'll probably be like another hour or so. It's pretty nice out today, and I haven't rode for a while, so I think I'm gonna pull out my shovelhead, and I want to trim the bars up, and I gotta like fix my master cylinder quick because the banjo bolt is leaking. I think I just need some crush washers. Oh yeah, started building this bike. You guys saw me do the frame in the last video, so I got the motor done, the transmission's in, and just started kind of mocking up our parts to see what we're gonna do. I just have this blank sprocket on here because I'm gonna CNC machine this. I don't know if I'm gonna come up with a new design. I have one designed already, but I think I'm gonna come up with something new just for this bike because I can. That's what I do. So I'm gonna get in Fusion 360 on my CAD, design something for it, cut it, but for now I can just mock it up like this. I gotta get a ton of hardware. Everything's just kind of sitting in here, and then I can start doing most of the fab work. I gotta mount the tank. I want to do some cool stuff on this thing. I haven't really decided what. So I'm building this for Becky's aunt's husband. So I don't know what that is, but he's an old aircraft pilot guy. He used to fly for the I forget what it is. Whatever the Blue Angels are in Canada. That's what it is. Snowbirds. So he's a big time like aircraft guy. So this is going to be like his intro to like an air-cooled motorcycle, like an air-cooled aircraft. And I kind of want to keep it like aircraft related. So I think I want to do like a cool little like instrument panel in the tank, some like nice heavy duty toggle switches, maybe some gauges, kind of like in the tank here. That would be really cool. Oil tank, I kind of want to do like a finned, air-cooled looking oil tank, and a bunch of other cool stuff. You know, I got a lot of ideas, so I'm excited to get going on this one, and it'll be really cool. I also just got back from a trip to Canada on Thursday, and right away I found something I needed. I couldn't live without on Facebook Marketplace. A new fab table for the shop. I've been really needing one. Like I want the fixture table with all the little holes so I can fixture things properly. I've had some in the past and they're great, but I really wanted a nice one. And I found one for a really good deal on Marketplace. So I went and got that. It's in the back of my truck right now and it's super heavy. So I'm waiting till Amaan gets here and then I'm gonna make him help me unload it, and we're gonna put it in here, and I gotta make some room for it. I don't really know where I'm putting it yet. I'm gonna pull my bike out, trim these bars up real quick, and yeah, let's do it. These are the new bars. I just had these T-bars in the back. I don't know when I made them or if there's something wrong with them. Usually when there's stuff left over, they're blemish parts or stuff I just never sold, but they look fine to me, so I got them chromed and put them on here. But they're a little long on the end. I think we could trim them up. See all this room here? Let's tighten that gap up. Taking like that little bit off of here. So I'll do the same over here. deburr these. Alright, I should probably see if this thing starts. It's been a couple weeks, so I don't remember how. What a good running bike. Love this thing. I want to show you guys my favorite Instagram page right now.
Like all the heartbroken girls, get a biker boy. All the heartbroken girls.
It's the type of content I should be making. What's he looking at? The worst bike I've ever seen.
That was so fucking stressful. Some random fucking highway dude stopped and gave me gas.
Oh, like the tow truck guy?
He's like, all I have is unleaded. I was like, that's chill, bro.
That's sick.
He's like, thanks, man. I tried to give him some money. He wouldn't take anything. Bro.
Yeah. It's a little warm now because I thought you'd be here 2 hours ago. Fiending.
Oh my gosh. My trans was so loose.
Did you tighten it?
Yeah, I tightened it, but I realized I'm missing a bolt too.
No, shit.
Yeah. They were all loose.
Wait, which bolt? Are you missing a nut?
That one.
Oh, that bolt.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, yeah, you are.
Yeah.
All right, we'll get one in there.
This thing's low-key kind of clapped.
For the one time a month you ride it.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I had so much fun riding it just now, though. I was like, oh, fuck, this is what I have.
Hey, bro, I got mine ready to go. Let's go.
Oh, it's running? I thought you sold this.
No, I've been thinking about selling.
Oh, okay, well, let's fucking
Yeah, we'll let it cool down.
cool down and let's...
Alright, we're gonna use this guy and fix his oil pump. It's got a little cutter on there and it'll just make that seat nice again. No more oil on the ground. I'm sure your landlord loves that.
Oh, they said something to me.
Did they?
Yeah. Like, have you been changing your oil? Because it says in your lease you're not supposed to change your oil in your garage. And I was like, no, that shit just leaks. And they were like, oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. There you go. I think that's all it needs, just a little light cut.
Nice.
I don't even know. Oh, this one always sketches me out, but that one is good. Exhaust is good. Then you got oil. That's all you need.
I think we're chilling.
I think you're chilling.
Let's go get some food. I'm fucking so hungry.
What should we eat?
Man, what's around here?
Nothing and everything?
was my friend Julia? Fucking roll back into it. That. Good.
All right, here's the new purchase.
How much was this thing?
I don't want to talk about it.
I just slowly kind of. Oh my god. We're good. We're good. Now, fucking. Go to the dog.
Yeah, not bad. You got it?
Chill.
Yeah.
This fucking extend this thing way too much.
Right? It's deceiving. Okay.
We're at.
Let's go all the way back. All right, we can just stand it up right here. Thank you.
It'll be easier.
Yeah, just.
Alright.
Just trying to get my feet out.
You can like get. I don't want to get my fingers under it. Is the thing.
1, 2, there you go. That wasn't bad. We probably left this thing over our heads.
Oh my gosh, that's so heavy. I fell backwards. Dude, all this shit was stabbing me in the back. What was that?
Oh, that thing right
This thing. And his head was shot.
This must be the spot. Schlop 1.
Not the schlop special.
You getting the schlop?
I'm about to get slopped up.
Alright,
Noodles are
this
sick,
looks
dude.
insane.
All we need is like 2 Kool-Aid pineapple jars. Oh.
I think we're in the right neighborhood. You're supposed to be my fitness coach, man. You can't be doing this.
No, this is part of your macros. You just can't eat anything else for the next 2
I
days.
just can't eat that.
That's probably the most fucked thing. Have you seen that YouTube guy? Yeah, and he sets him up on the Instagram and shit. Because I click on one.
Alright, well, bro, how many kicks?
You think I gotta prime it again?
You tell me, it's your bike. First kick. I know, it doesn't like fit. That's the way I have my points set up. Talking shit because I don't have a points cover. You just worry about you, okay? Just worry about Amaan's bike. did a little bit of wrenching, got my table unloaded, so that was super nice. And I just had so much fun riding this thing. I forgot how great this bike is. I try not to ride it because I need to sell it eventually. That was the plan when I built it, to sell it, but God, I get way too attached. Also, it sat for like 2 months, started in like 3 kicks, doesn't leak oil, goes 80 down the freeway, no problem, feels great, brakes are amazing. It's kind of the perfect machine. I don't know if I can let it go, but I don't know. Had a lot of fun on it too. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.